Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new presentation now. Choose blank presentation to avoid extra content. Once created, save immediately with File, Save As, pick a meaningful name and PPTX so you won't lose work. Then set slide size under Design. Choose 16:9 for screens or 4:3 for older projectors. Make sure to set default font and theme early. This keeps slides consistent and saves time as you build. You add content slide by slide. Pick a layout that matches the idea, then insert text placeholders for points. Keep each slide to one main idea. Next, insert images or video via insert. Compress large media from File, Info to reduce file size. Once done, open Slide Master to apply fonts, colors, and logos so every slide inherits the same style. This saves editing later and ensures accessible, predictable. You finish by polishing transitions and animations. Use them sparingly, set sensible durations, and preview. Once complete, rehearse timings under slideshow and record narration if you need voiceover. This locks pacing. Then export. Choose PDF for handouts or MP4 for video playback and test the exported file on the laptop and another device. If playback fails, troubleshoot by compressing media, updating codecs, or opening in safe mode to isolate add-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.